Jags, I'm Katie Baskfield.
And I'm Jamison Haeg. Welcome back to our first spot show of Try 3.
We're in the home stretch, Jamison.
Yep, we've come a long way, but I can't wait to be done. I'm just counting down the minutes.
You know what else is counting down?
My patience?
No, well, maybe. I was thinking the lacrosse season starting soon.
Oh yeah, let's ask Ilaria Montes to hear more about their upcoming season.
Lacrosse season is coming up soon. Let's find out what it's going to look like and their goals.
Our season's looking pretty good. We don't have a home field for part of the year, so a lot of road games, but we're excited, bringing a lot of guys back, so looking to win a lot of games.
Yeah, our goals are to just get closer as a team, and like Lucas said, we had a lot of road games, so just win as many as we can and ultimately just have a good time.
We have a very similar team as last year and a lot of young girls too, so we're looking to just keep building our chemistry with all of us.
Our goals for the season is we're going to try and have a better record and beat BSM and Chanhassen.
Now we're going to ask players what they're most excited about this season.
All right, the thing that I'm most excited for this season is, just getting to play with all the guys again. It's my last season, so I'm just excited to get out there and have fun.
I'm really excited to see how we do this season. We have a lot of talent, super young girls that are coming up who are really good, and just talent across all grade levels, so I'm really excited to see how we compete with other teams.
I'm most excited for playing with the seniors because it's their last year.
For the upcoming season, I'm excited to just enjoy every moment. Senior year, just having fun with the fellas on the team and just playing the games. Yeah.
Make sure to come support both teams and show your Jaguar spirit. This has been Ilaria Montes reporting for Jaguar Spots.
Thanks, Ilaria. They have a big season coming up for them.
Yep, and you know, Katie, speaking of big, have you heard about the big renovation?
What's all this about big?
Big, like the Bloomington Ice Garden.
Wow, that sounds like a big project. Let's hear from Ben Rupert to learn more about it.
What's up, Jags? This summer, Bloomington Ice Gardens is getting a big remodel. Today we went around and asked hockey players and construction workers on the project for their thoughts on it.
I'm super excited for the renovations. I think the rink is going to be pretty cool, and the locker room is going to be sweet. It's going to bring the group of guys together really well.
I'm really excited about the new projects just because we get new locker rooms, we get new concession stands, and bathrooms.
Yeah, I'm super excited for the new rink. I'm super excited for the new concession stand. We've been missing those Dippin' Dots for super long. They're going to shrink the rink a little bit, so it should be pretty good. And the locker rooms are going to get redone, and they're going to move from rink 1 to rink 3, which should be fun.
Next, we headed over to the Bloomington Ice Gardens to check on the project and ask the general manager for his thoughts.
I'm Lenny Schmitz, the manager at the Bloomington Ice Garden. We're about a week and a half, 2 weeks into construction here at BIG. And right now we got the rink 3 floor out completely, cutting rink 2, taking dasher boards out on rink 3, and construction's full steam ahead. Locker rooms are being demoed, front lobby's being demoed, so a lot of demolition. And getting ready for this exciting project. Things are on track, no big surprises yet, and we're looking forward to being back open by October 1st.
Wow, thanks for all this big information. This has been Ben Rupert reporting for Jaguar Spots.
Thanks, Ben. I can't wait to see it when it's done.
Me too.
Katie, what do you call a runner who can't stop making punts?
You tell me.
A running joke.
That's some true fast track comedy you have.
Thanks, Katie. And speaking of track, let's pass it on to Emma Loma to hear more about the upcoming Jefferson track season.
Many sports are starting up soon. One of these sports is the upcoming track season. Let's get an insight on this sport.
I am the track coach for Jefferson, and what I enjoy about being out here at track is working with the athletes and enjoying all the competitions. Goals for the season, I feel like this team this year should be first or second in our conference meet.
Let's talk to some students in track to see what their insight is and what they hope for this season.
I've been on the track team for 5 years, and I joined because I do cross country and I also just like to run. And my favorite part about track is just the team aspect of it. There's so many different groups of girls doing different sports from different things, and it's just super fun. And then this season, I just want to have just a good time. I think everyone's been working so hard these first few weeks, and to just see what we can do at conference and sections.
I joined track because my brother did it with me freshman year, and
It's also a good way to get me ready for other sports I play. What I love about track is that just the fun I have with my teammates. A lot of those teammates right now are really close friends of mine, and just having fun at practice and meets and all that. Now, my goals for the season, just do well in triple jump and long jump, maybe go to state, but we'll see. Time will tell.
What a fun sport. We wish you all luck this track season. This has been Emma Loma reporting for Jag Spots.
Thanks, Emma. I've always wanted to learn a little bit more about track.
Me too.
Jamison, did you know EAT is about to start? I've been wanting to learn more about it.
No, I had no idea, but I want to learn more about it too.
Well, it's a good thing we're doing a story on it. Let's hand it over to Shabadin Sheikh to hear more about this religious holiday.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm very excited to talk about Eid. It's an important celebration to Muslims all around the world. Now we're going to go around asking students and staff how they feel about Eid.
After fasting from sunrise to sunset for 30 days, Muslims conclude the holy month of Ramadan with a celebration called Eid. They start the day by praying at the mosque together and spending the rest of the day with family and friends. We went around the school asking students how they celebrate Eid.
How I'm going to celebrate Eid is I'm going to the Mall of America with my family, and then I'm going to go to prayer.
How I plan to celebrate Eid is I'm just planning on going out of state, California actually.
How I'm going to celebrate Eid is have a big family reunion and sleeping.
How I celebrate Eid is by going to my grandma's house.
To all Muslims celebrating Eid, be safe and have a great time. This is Shabadin Sheikh reporting for Jaguar Spots.
Thanks, Shabadin. Sounds awesome, and I'm glad I got to hear more about it.
Me too.
Okay, Katie, if you ask me, I think it's about time to wrap this show up.
Yep, I think so too. It's time for
Last minute congrats. Congrats to the Jets for being the consolation champion in the state adapted floor hockey earlier this month.
And congrats to the boys volleyball players who are making up 3 teams at Jefferson for the first official year of boys volleyball in Minnesota. Come cheer them on at their first home games this Thursday and Friday night in the main gym. Finally, congrats to our latest Jaguar ticket winners, Bree Espy, Lucas Gorgon, Kat Sievert, and Katrina Fairweather.
And Logan Ishog, Alan Perez Corral, Garrett Larson, and Mia Alvarado Aviles.
So Jamison, before we close up the show, you know spring break is coming up?
I know.
Gee, you sound sad.
Yeah, I'm jealous of everybody who has plans for the break.
Oh, I guess it's a bad time to tell you I'm going to Key West.
Yeah, bad time.
Well, to those of you who don't have plans for break, you're not alone.
Yep. However, make sure to stay tuned for the credits to hear more about students' plans for the upcoming break. This has been Jamison Haeg
and Katie Baskfield for Jaguar Spots.
See you next time, Jags.
For spring break, I'm going to San Diego, California.
For spring break, we're going to Mexico.
What up, guys? I'm Gabe. I'm going to Mexico for spring break.
For spring break, I am celebrating my 18th birthday.
For spring break, I'm going to Greece.
I'm going to Cancun.
For spring break, I'm renovating my basement.
For spring break, I'm going to Key West.
I'm going to Mexico for spring break.
I'm gonna go to LA, California.
I'm going to Florida.
Wow. I'm going to Panama City Beach, Florida.
For spring break, I'm going to Key West, Florida.
Alright, I'm going to Vero Beach, Florida with the baseball team.
I'm going to somewhere by Cancun in Mexico.
I'm going to Cancun with some friends.
I'm going to Massachusetts to see my brother play baseball.
And for spring break, I was thinking maybe we could go camping up north if it's not too cold, and I don't know, maybe find some waterfalls, do some hiking.
For spring break, I'm going to cruise to the Bahamas.
I'm going to Iowa to visit University of Iowa. Go Hawks.
I'm going to Cabo.